Hello Croners! Welcome back to another episode of the Crono Guide. In this video, we will learn how to create new templates. Templates are pre-written text bodies that can be selected and inserted at various stages of your strategies, or even directly on LinkedIn when you send a message to a contact. You can create templates for 5 different purposes: for your emails, for notes to be added to a LinkedIn invitation, for your LinkedIn messages and LinkedIn emails, and even to create scripts for your voice messages and cold calls. Let's start by creating a new email template. To do so, simply click on the Create New button. Choose a template title to help you categorize them by usage, and then add a subject that will be visible to the contacts you send the email to. Now you can start typing your content in the text area provided. You can customize the text font, size, and many other stylistic features. Additionally, you can insert links, attachments, and images. Most importantly, you also have the option to include variables, which will help you address the recipient more personally, such as using the contact name, for example. As the name suggests, variables are parts of your template that change automatically based on whom you're speaking with. By inserting the variable contact name, for example, if the person's name is James or Marta, this section of the text will be populated with their respective name, based on the information retrieved from Crono about the contact. You can then add the language and some tags to help you filter through the various templates you create. Check this box if you want a template to remain private and not be shared with your team members. In the case of email templates, if you want to see how the final email will look like once it reaches the contact, you can click the Send Test button, which will send a test email to your inbox using the template you have created. Once you are satisfied with the results, click Create. Moving on to creating a LinkedIn message template, as you can see, the process is quite similar, except that since these messages will be sent on LinkedIn, there are fewer customizations options due to LinkedIn's restrictions on text formatting. However, also here you still have the option to include subject variables. In all template sections, whether for emails or LinkedIn messages, you have the ability to use artificial intelligence to generate templates for you. Simply click on the Generate button, choose the template type and language, provide the AI with a brief description of your product, specify the role you're targeting, and define the purpose of the template. Then, indicate whether it is an initial message or a follow-up, and set a tone of voice. If you prefer a more informal text, for example, friendly might be the suitable tone of voice for you. Finally, specify how long you want the text to be and click Generate. If you're satisfied with the result, click Create. To conclude, in the General Template section, you can see how many times each template has been used and the reply rate for each one, so you can clearly understand what is working and what is not. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention and keep pushing forward in the sales world.